Okay, so today we're going to be learning how to cancel our Streamlabs Ultra subscription, our Ultra membership. And pretty much it's a pretty straightforward guide. All you want to do is go to your streamlabs.com website and then go ahead and click where it says dashboard. That is going to, obviously you might have to log in. And also shout out to my friend for letting me use his Streamlabs account because I don't have the subscription, but a friend let me use the account for the tutorial. So go ahead and head to your dashboard after you log in Streamlabs. And once you're in here, you're going to click on this little arrow that appears next to your profile icon, right? So click on the little arrow and then you're going to see something called memberships. So you can see it says memberships right there. Go ahead and click on memberships and that is going to redirect you over here where you're going to click cancel membership. As you can see in here, it shows you your next payment. It says May 11 for me. Just go ahead and click where it says cancel membership. And in here, it's going to ask you a bunch of different questions. Pretty much it's just trying to understand why you are canceling. And also it's going to try to make you not cancel, right? So we're just going to put it's too expensive. And then we're going to click continue canceling. Wait for that to load. Click continue canceling again. Then you're going to reach this page in here where it's just going to say, do you acknowledge that you are canceling Ultra and that you're going to lose all these different advantages, let's say, that you get with Ultra? We're going to put yes, that we understand that. And then we're going to click continue canceling. We're going to let it load and that should be it. As you can see, now it says success. We have received your cancel membership request and you won't be charged your next date. And we could click done. And there we go. That is pretty much, we cancel our Ultra subscription. As you can see, it says resubscribe. So that means our subscription is over. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other tutorial you would like to see next. And as always, bye bye.